doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside. Think about it, your gut can lie. And when you're hungry but it hurts to eat, do you actually wanna die? No matter how bad it tastes, I